So guys, ito yung nabili ko sa Tampines One dahil nag-sale sila. So ito ay from Akimi to Hoga, all about mga bed sheets, mattress protector. Then this one is a bathroom rugs. So later i-open natin kasi ilalagay na natin ito sa ating box. So mag-start ka dito. Ito yung pinamili ko. So this is a rug from Hoga for $12. This one, I bought one. This one, two. Then from Akimi, this one. This one is Akimi. Same design. 4. Then ito from Hoga again. This one is from Akimi. So what's this one? And here, small rugs. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Next is this one. This is queen fitted sheet. This one, color white. And another one is queen kilt set. So this one got kilt cover. Yeah, this one around 200 plus original price, but I only paid, I can't remember. Yeah, 79 or 89 around that. Yeah. So this one is down. One more. Another one is fitted sheet also. Queen from Akimi. Okay. Then this one is kilt cover set. Single. Plus this one is Canon. Yeah, Canon. Also single kilt cover set. Premium kilt cover set. So now is ano to? Mattress protector. Queen size or single size. And this one is also single size mattress protector. I got 2. And this one is also mattress protector, queen size. Yeah, queen size also. 2 queen size. And I think the rest is all mattress protector already. Queen size, so I got total how many queen size? Queen size, yes. Because I got total 5 queen size mattress protector. And the last one, sorry, the last one, queen size also, number 6. This is single and single. 6 queen size and 4 single size mattress protector. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.